hospitality industry is about to undergo its biggest transformation yet. A recent report suggests AI could add 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, and hotels are at the forefront of this revolution. Want to know what this means for your property? But first, if you want to stay ahead of hotel tech trends, hit that subscribe button. We share new insights every week that can help your property succeed. Here's something interesting. We've recently surveyed 400 hotel guests about their experience with AI in hotels, and the results were clear. While 58% say that AI improves their overall experience, they have specific preferences about how they want to interact with technology. For simple tasks like checking Wi-Fi passwords or facility hours, guests actually prefer using automated systems. It's quick, efficient, and available 24/7. But what really matters is finding the right balance between automation and personal service. Let's look at how hotels are using AI in their daily operations. The focus isn't on replacing staff. It's about enhancing their capabilities. Properties are using AI to streamline routine tasks, from maintenance scheduling to invoice processing. Take the Hilton Group, for example. They've implemented AI-powered virtual assistants that handle routine guest queries, allowing their staff to focus on providing exceptional personal service. Their AI system, Connie, handles everything from local restaurant recommendations to room service orders. Tools like Hotel Time PMS are helping properties predict maintenance needs before they become issues. One luxury resort reduced their maintenance response time by 40% just by implementing predictive AI systems. Meanwhile, Inflow's AI system is transforming how hotels handle their accounting, catching billing errors and saving hours of manual work. The most successful properties aren't just automating tasks, they're rethinking their entire operational workflow. They're asking, how can we use AI to make our staff more effective? Now, here's where it gets interesting. AI is transforming how hotels approach revenue management. One property increased their RevPAR by 23% in just 6 months. Let me show you exactly how they did it. Revenue management has evolved far beyond simple supply and demand. Modern AI systems analyze countless data points to help hotels make smarter pricing decisions. Leading solutions like Duetto and Ideas aren't just looking at historical data anymore. They're considering real-time market conditions, competitor pricing, even local events and weather patterns. But here's what's really clever. They're using this data to predict guest behavior weeks or even months in advance. Take the Metropolitan Hotels Group. When they implemented AI-driven revenue management, they didn't just increase their rates. They optimized them for the right guests at the right time. The result? A significant boost in last-minute bookings and a 40% increase in their average daily rate during peak periods. They can now accurately predict the value of group business compared to transient guests, helping hotels make better decisions about their business mix. The real power of AI becomes clear when we look at guest experiences and marketing. Some hotels are seeing direct booking rates climb by up to 30%. Marketing has become more personalized and effective with AI. Hotels are now creating highly targeted campaigns based on actual guest behavior and preferences, not just broad demographics. Cloudbed's digital marketing suite, for instance, is helping properties automate their marketing while keeping it personal. One boutique hotel in Spain used AI to analyze their guest data and created targeted campaigns that increased their direct bookings by 25%. On the guest experience side, solutions like Canary and Duve are revolutionizing how hotels communicate with guests. They're handling everything from pre-arrival information to post-stay feedback in multiple languages, all while maintaining the hotel's unique voice. What's particularly impressive is how these tools adapt to each guest's preferences. If a guest always orders room service at 8 p.m., the system learns this and can proactively send the menu at 7:30. It's this level of personalization that guests are coming to expect. But what does this all mean for different types of properties? The answer might surprise you. Here's something unexpected. Smaller independent properties often see faster results with AI implementation than larger chains. But why? It's because they can be more agile in their approach. Large chains are using AI to standardize operations across multiple properties, creating consistent experiences at scale. The Marriott Group, for example, uses AI to maintain services standards across thousands of properties worldwide. But independent hotels are finding creative ways to compete. They're using AI tools to offer personalized experiences that larger chains sometimes struggle to match. One 50-room boutique hotel in Austria implemented an AI concierge system and saw their guest satisfaction scores increase by 15% in just 3 months. The future of hospitality isn't about replacing human touch. It's about enhancing it. The most successful hotels are those that use AI to handle routine tasks while allowing their staff to focus on creating memorable guest experiences. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with fellow hoteliers who might benefit. Drop a comment below about which AI application you'd like to learn more about. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.